Sweating buckets this summer, no matter where you go? Fed up with hunting for a power socket just to get a fan? No more hassle. Check out this wearable portable fan. It's not just a powerhouse mini fan, but also a high-capacity power bank. With a whopping 15 meters per second wind speed, it'll keep you cool in style. Clip it anywhere, backpack, belt, you name it. LED display shows real-time battery level. Type-C fast charging, even rescue your phone when it's dying. Runs up to 38 hours, multifunctional, your ultimate summer companion that beats heat and low battery anxiety. Today only, save £100 on this cooler before stocks run out. Beat the heat and stay charged.